Like, who am I with this hair? I still can't believe that this is my natural hair, you guys. And I'm still shocked that this happened in a matter of less than a month, which is crazy. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting cute for quarantine. I cannot tell you the last time I did like a full glam like this. It's been a while, and today I thought, let's go all out. I miss getting ready, getting glam, even though we have nowhere to go. Probably just gonna go down to my fridge for the 15th time. But I just wanted to get ready. I did a fresh tan last night. I was feeling good. Today I woke up, I want to do my makeup and just feel good, you know? And today's video is actually sponsored by Ana Luisa, so thank you for sponsoring today's video. I'm actually wearing a few of their jewelry pieces right now. I have this gorgeous silver little bracelet. It has a little cross on it, one of my favorites. And then I'm also wearing a silver necklace, some earrings, which I'll show you guys in detail. But I want to show you the packaging that it comes in. Super cute, and it comes in these little pouches. A little bit about the brand is that all their pieces are tarnish free and long lasting. They will not turn, which is what I love and look for in jewelry. So I do have 5 pieces that I want to share with you guys today. I have been wearing these every single day, sleeping in them, everything. So the first one is this little gold anklet with blue little details on it. I love the look of anklets in the summertime, so I've been looking for a really good high quality gold one that I could wear every single day, that I can shower in and not have to worry about it breaking or tarnishing, turning weird colors. This next piece, when I saw it on the website, I just had to have it. It's so freaking cute. It's a silver bracelet, but the thing that sold me on it was that it has this unique, like, I've never seen anything like this before, but it has a cross little detail on it, which I love. And I'm very into silver jewelry right now, so I love this one. And I paired it with my little silver, super thin silver necklace. These two look so good together, and as I mentioned, I've been really into silver jewelry right now, and I love this one. It's like the perfect size, and I can easily sleep in it. Ana Luisa also uses 100% recycled gold and sterling silver, and you guys, their products come from the same jewelers as Tiffany & Co, Louis Vuitton, so you definitely know you're getting the best quality, and you also get 1-year warranty on all your pieces. So the next one that I picked out was these super cute little gold hoops. They're so tiny. These little guys are so cute and dainty. I really wish that they came in a silver, and I love that I can sleep in them. I hate taking off earrings at night, so I love like things like this that I can sleep in and it doesn't bother me. It's so dainty, so comfortable. I really need to re-pierce my second, third hole that grew in. I think it'd be so much cuter with these next earrings that I'm about to show you. So these are also gold. They're like little hoops with little stars on them. When I saw these, I had to snatch them up because they're so cute. I knew that they were gonna get sold out so fast. So we are doing a giveaway. It is now live on my Instagram, link below. Definitely enter the giveaway because the prize is a $75 code to shop on the website. Get yourself something cute. So be sure to enter the giveaway after you watch this video, and let's get started. The best childhood drink, Kern's guava. So I showered this morning and I'm letting my hair air dry. So hopefully by the time we are done putting ourselves together, my hair will be nice and dry. I did clip it back just to get it out of my face. And I already moisturized, which is why I look so dewy. And I use the DHC Olive Virgin Oil Essential Cream, the best moisturizer for dry skin. And my skin is very dry right now because I self-tanned last night and just the weather here. But I talk about this moisturizer all the time on Instagram. It's amazing. All right, let's put on some foundation. I'm gonna use the Dior Face and Body. Man, I haven't used this in, I think, since last summer. Hopefully it didn't go bad, but yeah, I haven't used this one since last summer, but I do know it's like the perfect spring summer foundation. It's the perfect tan shade when I am self-tan. So this is like my go-to spring summer foundation. And because it's a very sheer foundation, I like to apply it with a kabuki brush. This one is from Sigma. That way it gives me more coverage as opposed to using a sponge. Look at already. It like matches my tan perfectly actually. Wow. Spot on. This is why I love this foundation. Look how good that looks. Instantly glowier, healthier. So these are the spots that I want more coverage in. So I'm just going to use the Makeup Forever HD Stick foundation as opposed to concealer. Time for some concealer. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So I actually saw this like concealer trick on TikTok, I think, and I wanted to try it today. So you bring it up here, and then right here to kind of give yourself a little lift. We shall see if it makes a difference as opposed to how I normally apply my concealer. I feel like for this part right here, it would have been nice to already have my eyeshadow on because it did give me like a lift illusion. But unfortunately, I do have to put concealer to prime my eyes, so it kind of defeats the purpose. But maybe I'll try it again once I have my eyeshadow on. I'm gonna use the Beauty Light Wand highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. Honestly, I am already hella glowy, but this is like a different kind of glow, you know? So I have to add this. Just gonna lightly blend that out. I love this liquid highlighter. It literally melts into your skin. Whoa. It looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna set real quick before things start creasing with the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Okay, so I'm gonna let the powder sit and bake while we do the eyes, and I'm gonna use the Morphe 39L eyeshadow palette. This palette is awesome. It's huge. I've only used it a couple of times, but it has like all the colors you could ever need. I'm thinking to do a proper bronzy gold eyeshadow look. I haven't done one of those in such a long time, and I think today's the day. Let's just go all in. So normally I would do my eyebrows first before eyeshadow, but I think today I'm gonna do them after the eyeshadow just because I want to really smoke out that brown and then clean up the brows. I am gonna stick to mainly the brown shades in the palette, so these up here. So I'm taking the lightest brown shade and I'm gonna start working this into the crease. We're basically gonna go from lightest brown to darkest brown. We're not doing a smoky eye, but I'm just letting you know the order of the eyeshadows. And I'm also gonna pull this out. So something like that, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And then taking a smaller dome brush, I'm gonna use the dark brown. And with this shade, I'm gonna do kind of like a V in the outer corner here. I don't know if you can tell, but my eyelids are so freaking dry. It kind of looks like it's almost cracking over here. I hate that. It just ruins the whole, like, I'm having a hard time blending because of it. I'm gonna use the same shades that I use, basically. I'm only using like 3 browns, a light brown, whoa, a light brown, a medium brown, and a dark brown. I need to blend this out. So I decided I want to add some liner to my waterline. I like rarely ever do this, but I'm gonna do like a dark brown. This is the NARS High Pigment Longwear eyeliner. And then if you take like a flat brush like this, you can kind of get in there and blend it out, or should I say buff it out? Oh my god. I'm gonna do the top as well. I'm taking some more brown shadow and I'm kind of like smudging it down. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows real quick and then we'll finish off the eyes. Brows are on. I'm actually gonna add some more shadow to the top. The same flat definer brush. Okay, this is the shade I want to use on my lids. This is a liquid crystal eyeshadow from Beauty Bay. Look how gorgeous. Such a beautiful gold. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and apply it to the lid and then use a brush to kind of feather it out. Look at that. It's like metallic gold. I think that's good. I'm gonna use like a little brush to kind of feather it out. I haven't played with shimmers or anything fun in such a long time. So that's why I'm so excited. Because today I'm just going all out. You know what I mean? For lashes, I don't want anything dramatic to cover up the eyeshadow because I think it should stand out on its own. I think I'm going to use these velour. They're like kind of like half lashes. Definitely like half the size of a regular lash, so you would just put them on the outer corner. Super easy, you don't need to trim them or anything like that. And these are in the style Barely There. So because these are basically like half lashes, they're so easy to apply. You just pop them on and then I kind of just adjust it with my fingers. And there you have it. Okay, so my hair is probably dry. I'd say it's like 90% dry. So I'm gonna take these out and like fluff it so it doesn't look so flat. Let's finish off the face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Profusion bronzer. Haven't used this since last summer, probably as well. I don't know why I just like put things away and I only use them by season, but this bronzer is really nice. I don't know if you guys are like this as well, but anytime I do a bronzy look, I never use like pink blush. I always use like these tones, like bronzy peachy tones. Hot Fix Cheek Palette from NARS. It has a highlighter, which I am going to use, and then I'm going to use these two middle blushes that are matte. If it's like a bronze... What's happening? Alright, so now I'm going to highlight with the gold shade from the NARS palette. I really do love this highlighter, but only when I'm like tan, because it's quite gold. That is nice. I don't think I've put on this much highlighter in a while, so this feels really good. Okay, last thing to do is just finish with the lips. I'm using MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. I'm going to top this off with some gloss. This is the Plain Around Lip Lacquer from NARS. Oh, such a nice nude. I love this formula because it's so creamy. Like, it's definitely not a lip gloss feeling. It's so buttery and smooth. I'm going to do a quick spritz of the Light Velvet Air from Makeup Forever. Alright, so that completes this little quarantine glam. This is how I stay cute during quarantine with nowhere to go. Now I'm just gonna go take a bunch of selfies and maybe some TikToks and call it a day. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They are running a buy one get one 35% off right now for Mother's Day. So if you're thinking of getting your mom a cute little gift, which you should, definitely check them out. I will leave all the links and the codes below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.